Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS Institutions. So, we are continuing with the previous video, that is we saw what is knowledge based agent. We saw what is the basic concept, we recapped about the previous things, and we saw what is the knowledge based agent. Why are we using this knowledge based in a simple case study or an empathy which is based on this knowledge based agent, right? Now this knowledge based agent is nothing but it is a combination of both knowledge and reasoning, right? So there are different components that is associated with this knowledge based agent, that is nothing but knowledge based inference engine, percept sequence, and the different kinds of learning concept. Knowledge base is nothing but, as I have already told you, it is a combination of both your knowledge and the reasoning, that is how you are solving a problem. Inference engine is a mediator between this knowledge base and this environment. It will just give the information of just get the information of whatever you are doing. Percept sequence is nothing but the different kinds of knowledge that you gather from the different kinds of data. It is called as the percept sequence. Now, this learning component is nothing but the different kinds of tools or different kinds of process that is associated with the knowledge base. Okay. Now, when you take a knowledge based agent, there are certain working models of how you will work with different kinds of this knowledge based agent. Knowledge based agent actually works on the 5 different concepts, that is percept, represent, infer, act and learn. Percept is nothing but it gathers the different kinds of data from different kinds of environment. Represent is nothing but it is like how you will store the data. It can either be a logical function or theoretical function or whatever it is, how you will store the data. Infer is nothing but how like what is the reason behind it, what is the different kinds of reasons that you will use and how you will draw a conclusion for the concept. Act is nothing but how will you choose the best action for the inferred knowledge. Learning is nothing but updating the knowledge for the future decisions, etc. Now, what are all the different kinds of, what are all the different types of knowledge is nothing but there are 5 different types of knowledge. Okay, that is nothing but you have meta knowledge, heuristic knowledge, structural knowledge, declarative knowledge and procedural knowledge. Meta knowledge is nothing but you have different kinds of initial values that is associated, right? So that is called as the meta knowledge. Heuristic knowledge is nothing but different kinds of rules that you will be using for solving a problem. That is nothing but a heuristic knowledge. Structural knowledge is the basic structure or a basic diagram or the basic functionality of how you will be solving a problem. Declarative knowledge is nothing but the different formulas, the different procedures that you will be using to solve a problem. Procedural knowledge is nothing but different kinds of step-by-step actions or the accurate mathematical decisions or the accurate precise thing that you will be doing to solve a problem. That is called as an accurate thing. So, what is the advantages of this knowledge-based agent is nothing but it enables the intelligent decision making, it supports the explainable reasoning, it handles complex and rule-based problem, it can be updated and improved over time. Now, interesting part is I have bought a very simple quiz over here in which you will have to find a path for the autonomous vehicle. It is a self-driving car and it uses the knowledge-based agents that perceives the information, that it uses the sensors, like how we will use the Tesla cars which is being implemented nowadays, right? So in this it is just like a robot. This robot should find a treasure hunt and those treasure hunts can be implemented using these processes. So in this it will have a starting point, it will have a smell, it will have a breeze, it will have a treasure and that open braces is called as safe. So this robot should find the treasure and it should face these hurdles and then it should reach out the process. So this is the actual question of how this robot will be doing. So in what direction this robot has to go? It should either move in a direction of right down right or down right right, down down or right. Which direction it has to move? irrespective or just ignoring all the kinds of pit or smell or blank spaces, in which direction should it reach? This is the question which is given. So you can answer the question based on it. Okay. So yes, the answer for this is down, right, right and right. So this is how the process will be actually executed. I have given certain references which is associated with this. You can also have. So this is what we saw. What is the knowledge based agent and what are all the different kinds of process that is associated with it and how we will be solving those knowledge based agent, right? So as of now, thank you. Have a good day. If you have any kind of doubts, please feel free to reach me out in the comment section. Thank you.